So too, it's the red Fiero hood. I don't know what the heck that shit is. It's like something rubber melted on there. I'm about to get that off. I'm gonna sand that up and white plastic dip the hood, and then take it over here and put it on the beast. Cause this hood has a lot of work that still needs done on it. I'm gonna have it done right. Cool. I'll shoot y'all another update.
I like his ass up tomorrow. Wait till midnight.
The hood off the red Fiero, I mean the trunk hood thing with the wing going on the black Fiero, and then the hood odd yellow sandy desert color, whatever the fuck you want to call it. It's gonna be badass. Thanks to that little nigga right there, Smokey the Bear. Them faggots didn't do shit, but just look ugly.
You probably can't even see the black kid.
No, he just looks like a floating t-shirt.
Yep.
Alright, we'll catch you later too. Peace.